the problem most for me right now is live performances. You know what I'm saying? That's the favorite part of being a musician for me. Apart from being in the studio, I love performing to the fans, going on tour. But if you look at it, the last time I even toured Africa properly was probably like 5-6 years ago. And the reason being is that the music has got to a level where we want to give the same performances we give in the UK, in Europe. We want to give the same performances down here. Now, imagine someone like me. I've never done stadium in Nigeria. You know what I'm saying? Not because I can, but because we don't have the facilities. I think it's only like in Rwanda. I think Rwanda has. I think DDB just did one here. I think Dakar also has an amazing arena. I think they are also building one. It's coming, but it's not ready yet. So I think, thank you. So I think just investment in just infrastructure as a whole. We don't have to travel to use the best studios. We don't have to travel to shoot. Oh, I want it to look like Miami. We don't have to travel for that. We could build our own film studios. We could build our own studios. I've built multiple studios in Lagos myself that my artists use. You know what I'm saying? Me, you know, and a couple of my colleagues who are doing what we can for the creative industry. I have a label where I invest in young artists. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start investing in film too as well. You know what I'm saying? I ran